Okay, I'm here in Enfield with Rick, and we're here with the Iso Lele. Before looking at the Lele, Rick is actually going to tell us some of what he's learned about the car's pedigree, its history, and research that will guide how we put this car together.
What we've learned through different networks and groups, the Iso group in particular, is that this car came over to the U.S. around 1984. It was imported from Europe to Arizona. It spent most of the life from then until now in Arizona and Southern California. As we've learned, it came over in white after having been worked on in Italy. I think all of the poor body work, poor repairs, the flat floors, all the great stuff, spray foam, everything else happened while it was over in Europe. An Iso club member owned the car for 20 years. He painted it, again, a respray of white, and it was trimmed inside. The detail that changed it from brown to the burgundy happened then. But what I've learned also through the gentleman I talked to was that this car was originally silver. The build records seem to show it as being silver with a brown interior. But we do have the car together now. It is a welded body. You know, all of the components have been put in place, welded, gapped, fit. We're doing final gapping.
So there's no bolt-on panels on this car.
No, everything was welded.
Other than little pieces like the headlight doors, and the hood, but everything's welded.
We've been fitting and aligning all the panels.
And these areas here in the front corners, these were totally destroyed with accident damage and corrosion. Those are completely remade. These are all seams of new metal that you can see there. Doors are redone.
All of the vent work, the supporting structure behind the
That was
vents,
all rebuilt.
door skins, the rockers, all of the work that we've shown before.
Yeah, in an earlier video, we showed the inner structure. Let's open the trunk and just look at the amount of fabrication work. Look at the shaping of all of these panels. Everything that you see here had to be made. We had original paneling for a model, but the paneling was all rotted at the edges and it had to be totally remade. So this is hundreds of hours of work here, and it's accurately made. It's beautifully welded together.
This panel right here, you can see the spot welds around it and the little raised lip. There's actually two panels with a small layer of insulation in between because the mufflers fit up in the pocket underneath. So we've recreated all that.
Yeah, this is the trunk lid. This has been rebuilt, and you can see the corners. All this has been reshaped, and this all lines up now. This is probably better alignment back here than it ever had when it was new.
No question.
And looking down the side, this is all rebuilt. Underneath here, you can see the car is still attached to the jig that held the body straight while all this work was done. You see we're fitting the doors, we're getting good lines. You can see the inside there. It's all this is all finished and redone, even areas where you'll never see, but that's what makes a quality job, and that's what makes it last forever.